Crimp covers are a great way to create a professional finish. They are especially wonderful for hiding knots on your cording. Once you have your design finished, your adhesive is cured. Trim the ends as close as you can get them. Now, of course, your design is fine as is, but if you slip on a crimp cover, get the knot positioned into the center of the crimp cover, and then either using a pair of crimping pliers or chain nose pliers, close the crimp cover down. And it's something you want to work at a little slowly. You don't want to get it so that it goes too crooked, and then if it does, just self-correct it. Use the pliers. And then just continue to work until you have it closed and have a seamless finish. And then you are all set.